Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and in this video I'm going to review Link Assistant. Link Assistant is one of a suite of 4 tools in the product entitled SEO Powersuite. The other 3 tools in the suite are Rank Tracker, Website Auditor, and SEO Spyglass. If you can't wait to check out any of these tools, you'll find links to free trials below this video. In fact, you might want to pause this video and download Link Assistant first, as what I'm about to describe will make more sense if you have it open on your desktop. Pause this video, download and install Link Assistant, and then we'll continue. Search engine optimization is both an art and a science, some would say a dark art, and it's constantly evolving. However, for the layperson who doesn't want to learn all the deep technical intricacies, some aspects remain constant. One is that a good quality site that receives frequent additional and fresh content will eventually attract organic backlinks. But that can take time, and we can speed up the process by requesting links from sites in the same genre or which cover similar subjects. To manage your own site's SEO efficiently, you have to audit your site, Website Auditor, build or attract backlinks, Link Assistant, check your progress, Rank Tracker, and check what the competition is doing using SEO Spyglass. And as a bonus, if you become adept at doing all this, you can sell your skills and help others as an SEO consultant. I'll be reviewing each of the other tools in separate videos, and in this one I'm going to concentrate on Link Assistant. Before I begin, let's quickly remind ourselves about an essential aspect of search engine optimization, namely backlinks. Backlinks, i.e. links from other websites, blogs and social media to your own site, can be powerful endorsements that are likely to improve your ranking in the search engine results for certain keyword phrases. So the more good quality backlinks your site has, the more likely it is to receive visits from people who are interested in what you have to say or what you're selling. However, improperly managed backlinks can have the opposite effect and may reduce your site's rankings. The algorithms within search engines that decide which websites to show in the top 10 positions on page 1 of search results will make their decisions partly based on the number and quality of the backlinks to any given site. Are the backlinks from a site with a high domain authority? Is the site's subject matter and anchor text reflected of the search term and the general subject matter of the target site? Is the link a do follow, positive link juice, or a no follow, neutral link juice link? Years ago, it was possible to add lots of links from irrelevant and poor quality sites to fool the search engines into thinking your site was popular. But over time, the search engine algorithms have evolved and are now much more sophisticated and accurate. They seek quality over quantity, so it's imperative that you or your webmaster ensures that your site's backlinks are from good quality on-topic sites, and any poor quality backlinks are disavowed. Okay, enough of the preamble. How is Link Assistant going to help with this process? First of all, it will audit your site and find all current backlinks, if any. You can't measure how well you're doing without baselining the status, so it'll audit the site. Later, you can rerun the audit at any time to see how well your backlink prospecting is doing. Next, it will search for suitable backlink opportunities. There are 10 pre-configured types for which it will search, using any keyword or phrases you specify. These are guest posting, commenting, forums, link submission forms, topical blogs, review sites, giveaway sites, link pages, directories, and competitor backlink sites. There is also an option for a customized search. It then presents you with the results of these searches in a table showing the backlink page, domain authority, and other important data. You can then sort, filter, or export the data to manipulate it in any way you choose. Once you've decided on which sites you would like to target as a possible location for a backlink, you can set about creating it. The methods will vary according to the type of site, but a few words of warning are needed here. Don't be a link spammer. The quickest way to get yourself banned from a forum is by turning up one day to post links to your own site. The key to this process is to add value wherever you go. Become a genuine participant by showing enthusiasm for the subject. If you participate with integrity, eventually you'll be rewarded with a backlink. For example, when commenting on articles, read the article first and give some honest feedback about it. The chances are that your comment will await review before being published, but as long as you're obviously commenting with integrity, then your comment is likely to be approved. For some target sites, Link Assistant provides an email management function. It searches for and stores the email address for site inquiries and provides email templates for your requests and follow-up emails. Here's a tip. Make sure you edit these templates to make them unique and appropriate for your site's subject matter. Webmasters are busy people, and there's little incentive for them to go to the effort of responding to unsolicited requests for backlinks. But if your site is of interest to them and your request is polite and on topic, then it increases your chances of success. In time and with a little practice, you'll start to see links appearing. Get into the habit of using Link Assistant several times a week and rerun the audit every few weeks to check on progress. There's also a function that checks on links that were previously created. This enables you to check that the links are still in place, that the anchor text is still correct, and that they are still do follow links. The Link Assistant website contains all the support you'll ever need, webinars, video tutorials, and how-to guides. If these don't answer your questions, then the Link Assistant team are on hand to answer any questions. Do you use Link Assistant? Post a comment below with your tips and advice. Any questions? Ask me below and I'll try to find an answer for you. Please give this video a like and share it, and subscribe to my channel for the next video in the series about search engine optimization.